He's free.
So what you guys are doing today?
She's freeze with the what? She's freeze.
The bird is dead, right?
Yeah.
So
she's
what do you
freeze
guys?
with the eye.
What are you trying to do for him?
Okay, touch it.
Yeah.
Oh, so sad.
Oh, so sad.
Oh.
My. Then let's pick him up. Pick him up.
What are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna bury him.
Oh.
We're gonna bury him.
His eyes are open. They should.
No, Arvin, he's dead.
Just see. Pour the water on him. Pour the water.
Let me see. Let me feel his heart. Pick him up.
He's dead.
No, he's dead. Okay, come on, pick him up.
Put him some water, Daddy. Daddy, put some water. Oh, is that? It's not working. Let's see his face. His face. Yeah, you can bury him.
Want me to hold it?
Oh, he's so light. Feel it. He's so light. Pick him up. He's so light. He's so light.
God damn.
No, careful.
I want to.
Oh, it's so sweet.
I want to.
Say bye to the little bird. Poor
Bye.
bird.
Any pets? If you see any birds that died on the street, please bury them. Like, share, subscribe your channel.